Okay, traders, gold. Yeah, we've had some bearish price action, as you can see here on the daily time frame. Lower highs, lower lows. So you got this downward channel. And now the question is where to next? Ultimately, I'm bullish. If we go out, say, to a weekly, like the higher time frame is bullish. But every now and again, you're going to get a move back. Yeah, okay, so that's kind of a measured move. All right, so let's just have a look at that as we go down the time frames. Go down to a 4-hour chart. Yeah, I mean it's pulled back down into, I guess, an historic range in terms of a pullback, a measured move, retrace. So what we've got now on the 4-hour chart, you got to follow price action, and currently we have this going on. Previously, right, that was trending up. Now you got to watch these moves here, right? So in a trend, you're going to get, well, let's just do this. You look for sideways price action and then the breakout. Any sideways price action and then look for the breakout. So if we come back here, do we have any sideways price action? Well, starting to kick off here. So we just need to wait and see, what this is going to present. At the moment, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, possibly, that could be a thing. We don't know, okay? Or it could hold and break structure and trend bullish. Question remains. All right, so at the moment, this price action is pretty bearish, even though we're getting a little bit of a pullback here. So, looking at this, I think my bias would be bearish more than anything until this breaks. So by what that I mean, this is currently trending down. If it breaks structure, then that could give you a buy opportunity. So it's just a matter of watching this now, because that could be a thing. All right, so there's two possibilities. Let's go down to the lower time frame, say 1 hour. Let's get a bit closer to it. Yeah, I'd be keeping a close eye on how this channel down here unfolds, and then I'd want to see a break above and then a retest here for a buy, or it breaks below and then we come back in for a sell. Well, let me just draw that a bit differently. So we break below this range here, and then that's a potential sell. All right, so we've got a trend continuation scenario like that, and or a bullish scenario if it breaks above. So at the moment we've got 3 higher lows. Okay, there's an argument. Low, high, low. Well, okay, it's kind of thrown a damper. It's actually a higher high. All right, so low, high, higher low, higher high. Does it hold here? That's the question. All right, 2 possibilities. Okay, so first would be a buy if that breaks, and the other one would be a sell if we break the low. In fact, we can tidy this right up. Grab a couple of tools, note sell. So I'm just looking at price action at the moment, but if we go back with the volume profile, click it back in here. All right, so you've got a point of control above. Could even go to a 30-minute chart. Let's get a bit closer to the 1 hour is good enough. We'll go back. Okay. So the point of control is above. Okay, so that's a key resistance right through here. So I actually probably wouldn't touch it. Well, if it breaks out of here, you could, but understand you've got a key resistance level right there. This is an institutional level. Wherever you see that red line, that's what that is. Okay, so big money will be, if this trades up, this is going to be a focus, and expect some sort of reaction off that. I probably wouldn't even look to get long until if this breaks through here. I think I'd be more interested in a buy opportunity if we break that and come back into it. So see how the volume profile really helps to clarify, what we're our trade plan, and then that would be a potential sell if we break down. And have a look at the level here. Let's grab grab that. So you've got, see these nodes here, so that's the resistance level there. And if we retest and fail here, then Your target level would be down in here. And I would look to get long on this pullback, something like that. And the other thing you can do with this is grab VWAP for both a bullish and a bearish scenario. So if we're looking at a bearish scenario, just use this tool. And this tool coincides, okay, with the volume profile. See this line under here? This is a 1 deviation out from VWAP. So I would need to see that break below this deviation. Come back and retest that there. And for the high, well, it'll be breaking this midpoint, this midline at the VWAP mid, what am I talking about? The mean. I would like to see it break that and then come back. So you've got a combination of this volume profile, point of control, and VWAP. All right. So that would be a key area there to break through. All right. So this is how you can really get precise with this. So that would be, that's how I'm looking at it at the moment. I think, we could look at this lower VWAP, how it coincides with, see these nodes here, and then the low of these nodes, right? We come into this volume profile low value, and it's bang spot on with the first deviation out from VWAP right there. That's that's a support zone, and then it could be resistance if we pull back into it. All right, so it's pretty specific. I think that's what I'd be looking at. Two potential opportunities, either bullish or bearish, whichever one plays out. All right, and it's a very specific entry point. So a buy would be on that. Stop like under the previous swing low, or you could go under this volume profile, high value nodes, right? So that's one idea. I would target VWAP here for target 1 and then pull your stop loss up to break even at that point. If you're short position, maybe on that, stop above the previous node here, value area, see that? And then go for broke, with your TP, but support, your first port of call is going to be down around this low value area through here. Okay, the base of that. So that would be, that'd be a 1-to-1, nearly a 1-to-1 risk reward. So I'd be pulling my stop loss to break even if it gains a bit of ground to the downside, right? So there's two very specific entry points, stop loss, stop loss entry and target 1. That's it. And I think with that, I hope you have a great day. Oh, comment, guys. Let me know what you think. Are we on the same page? Are we not? Whatever the case may be. And I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.